Hey guys, it's Joanne. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a little bit different than what I normally put up here, but I just wanted to express my excitement in getting this book. I believe it was released today, Amazon. It was a pre-order, and today is the 18th. I believe today is the day that the book has been officially released. I am not sure. Faith has been promoting it on her YouTube channel, and I know that it wasn't available prior, so I'm thinking today. Anyway, whatever. That's not important. What's important is I got it. So just real quick, I have not read it. I'm like, 30 minutes new into having received this. So go check out, she's Bible Nerd Ministries on YouTube and Instagram. I'm new to reading the Bible faithfully, I'll say, in the last year, and Faith's channel, Bible Nerd Ministries, was one of the first channels that I started watching because, of course, when I started with my new Bible, my big thing, I wanted to journal, and Faith does a lot of journal. You just check her videos, you'll see her Bibles from her journaling Bibles and that. So she put out a book, super exciting. So I'm just gonna kind of give you what it says about her, and then I'll flip through real quick just to kind of, let you see what it looks like, because it looks like it's gonna be a nice, easy read. So it says that Faith, let's just see, we know she has the YouTube channel. She has online courses, including Bible study boot camp and theology boot camp. Bible study boot camp and theology boot camp, where she has thousands of followers. She's on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. I don't know if I've seen her on TikTok yet. She has a BA in Biblical and Theological Studies from Covenant College and a MATS from Erskine Seminary. And she lives in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. So she's very knowledgeable. I believe her husband is, I want to say, a pastor. Yes, maybe. She's got 2 little boys, but you'll find all that out if you go check out her channel. I just wanted to give the book a quick plug because I was super excited to get it. And let's just see. I know it's not going to be, let's see if we just flip through. I know you can't really see, but see, there's lots of diagrams. I love books with diagrams, and then there's little boxed out notes, again, like that. So, and the font is pretty decent. So I don't think it's going to be a hard read, and it's broken up like that into sections, which makes it easier for me to read. And yeah, I guess we can just go through it and make our little notes. And this is supposed to, not that I really find the Bible boring. I mean, yeah, parts of it, I guess. I just kind of wanted to blow through to get, into a more meaty part of it. But, like Faith says, it's okay to say that. It's okay to say that the Bible is boring to you at times because, maybe we're just not reading it correctly. So anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Check out Faith's channel, Bible Nerd Ministries. I'll put the link in my video. And I will see you in the next one. Have a great day.